Welcome to Waymaker's Meadows, a small farm nestled in Monroe County, West Virginia. Come on a journey with us as we learn and share what aspects we see in farming and learning to grow and establish our land and farm. We are new to farming, so we can learn together. Our hope and prayer is for a healthy farm. Faith, family, and farm are our key components for success. Our main focus at this present time is expanding our sheep production, but we have many other animals on the farm that give us love, joy, and happiness every day. As we share our journey, we hope that we can provide good information about what we are learning and experiencing, a fun place to see animals and put a smile on your face. These clips are just some of what's happened in the last year. We're very excited for what 2024 has to bring and what God has in store for us. So come with us as we begin. Don't forget to click subscribe below to our channel, as we plan to provide a video a week to show what we're up to and how we handle the work-life balance. God bless and thank you.